Good morning.
Morning, guys.
So
Morning.
we are ready
Yes.
for office.
Yes.
In couple of minutes हम
Yeah,
निकलेंगे ऑफिस के लिए.
we will start our journey for today. I think we are on time today, more or less. A little bit late yesterday, but we will be on time. I think by 10
Almost
o'clock.
time.
Almost time. Yes. So we will see how today's
या
day progresses.
और हम
And
अपने दिन की अपडेट देंगे कैसा रहा हमारा.
we'll get a new topic to talk about.
Yes.
And we'll see.
That too on North and South Indian तड़का.
Tadka.
Yes.
So till then.
Bye bye. Hi. So हम लगे हैं अपना खाना बनाने. आज हम बना रहे हैं तूर की दाल और रोटियां. सो दाल के लिए तड़का जो है वो थोड़ा ब्राउनिश करने के लिए रख दिया है. लेट्स सी जब वो ब्राउनिश हो जाएगा तो हम तूर की दाल उसमें डाल के. यूजुअली तो इसका तरीका ये नहीं है, पहले तो दाल को उबालते हैं उसके बाद अक्सर तड़का लगता है. बट अभी उतना पेशेंस नहीं है, वो बहुत देर लगी है, तो हमने सीधा पहले तड़का डाल दिया है. उसमें दाल डालेंगे और उसके बाद में सीधा उसको बॉईल करेंगे और जब तक वो ठंडा होगा तब तक हम रोटियां बना लेंगे और फिर खाएंगे. सो हम डॉक्टर योगेश का मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. जैसे वो ज्वाइन करते हैं तो हम अपना कुछ जो हमने आज का प्लान किया हुआ है वो डिस्कस करेंगे. Welcome, Dr. Yogesh.
Hi guys, sorry got delayed. Was on a call.
It's okay.
So dal is already happening. I see.
Family time is priority.
Yeah, there are some things to sort out all of a sudden. It's there now. Every day is a challenge. Every day is a new challenge. It was supposed to be the old challenge. Like that.
देखो भाई इजी नहीं है कि बसी बसाई फैमिली को
Exactly.
छोड़ के नई जगह पे आके अकेले रहना.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
Not very easy. I
He's
thought
married. I am married. He's having a kid.
he's also having a kid. So
My kid is like
Very young.
Very young. So
my kid is growing up.
and
Little bit elder than his kid, but
like
managing them, managing their needs,
बहुत मुश्किल
staying
होता
far
है.
away.
Hats off to our wives.
Yeah, who's
जो-
actually putting a lot of efforts in
Yes.
order to take care of a family without our presence. They're independent women. We are proud.
We are proud of
Yeah.
you guys.
Yes, we are.
So
So yeah.
आज हम क्या चर्चा करें बोलो.
Yeah, you tell me, sir. So many things to talk, so many things to discuss. We can just give you a small, intro of a married man who becomes a bachelor again due to the work, who travels far away from his hometown, and what is the challenges, and what are the difficulties, and what is the nice part, and what is the easy part. So we can discuss something about those stuff. Only thing will be interesting for our audience. Such things.
अगर हमारी वाइफ देखेगी और कहेगी व्हाट इज द इजी पार्ट एंड नाइस पार्ट.
No, that is okay. No, let them come to know. It is there. Women are smart. Right? Women are smart. They know what guys are up to. Their brains are only 10x, 20x much more evolved than ours are. So they will figure out things very quickly than us.
सो आप तो अभी रिसेंटली आए हो. बताओ क्या चैलेंज आ रहे हैं. मैं नवंबर में आया
Yeah,
था.
this is the first time coming out of my home for a long time because all my education was abroad, and then I stayed away from family for a couple of years, close to a decade, and now after a decade I'm coming out from my hometown to stay in a different city, fast-paced city, and it is challenging because I was there with my
फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस सिटी.
fast and furious city, as Dr. Subodh says. It is not easy leaving your family, leaving your ecosystem which you stayed for 10 years and all of a sudden move to another city which is totally different, and language barrier is there. I'm from Karnataka, and I speak Kannada, and here, and my Hindi lingual efficiency is not that great, which I'm trying to pick it up with my good friend Dr. Subodh. Hope I will be able to, speak some fluent Hindi.
अरे सीख जाओगे अब.
हाँ.
और आप बोल भी रहे हो. अच्छा बोल रहे हो.
Thank you, Subodh.
बट
धन्यवाद.
एक्चुअल चैलेंज तो मेरे साथ है कि कन्नड़ा सीखने का.
हाँ, आदमी में कष्ट आगे that will be difficult. Why? Because I have heard Hindi.
Yes.
Like Hindi is kind of a language that is used for all the transaction.
But
pan India.
कन्नड़ा is कुछ वर्ड I will learn from you.
Oh, I have not taught you.
Not मतलब पूरी लैंग्वेज तो शायद मैं ना कैच कर पाऊंगी, बट कुछ
Words,
lines,
very-
कुछ वर्ड्स मैं कैच करूंगा जो मैं अपनी वाइफ को बोल के आई कैन मेक हर फील.
Oh, nice. That is smart enough. Intelligent enough for Dr. Subodh to pick up. So, what is your experience? You came earlier than me to Mumbai, so
So it's
how was
like
your initial days when you came here?
it was very difficult for me to take a decision coming here. Like I left my home when I was somewhere I guess 17 years, 16 years or 17 years old. तो मैंने अपना घर उसी समय छोड़ दिया था. बट तब की सिचुएशन में और अब की सिचुएशन में बहुत फर्क है. क्यों? क्योंकि तब मैं बैचलर था. देन जो मेरी कॉलेज की लाइफ रही, फिर उसके बाद में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में कॉलेज की लाइफ रही, देन पीएचडी, वो सब different experience था. Everything was good because I was bachelor. I was enjoying a lot, but at the same time, I was having family responsibilities also, and I
You are
was
managing both of it.
yeah, I was managing them very well. Then I got married in 2021, COVID batch, and उसके बाद में I was living with my family in Chandigarh. So, from 21 to 25, I was with my family, my wife, and like we had a kid. तो जब मैंने नवंबर 2025 में घर से निकला तो मेरा kid जो था it was somewhere 2.5 year you can say. तो आप समझ सकते हो कि जब बच्चा इतना छोटे एज का हो उस समय निकलना कितना डिफिकल्ट है, एंड स्पेशली जब मेरी वाइफ भी पीएचडी कर रही है उस समय पे, तो आई फील कि रियल चैलेंज मेरे साथ नहीं था निकलना, रियल चैलेंज मेरी वाइफ के लिए था, हु अलाउड मी टू like take this decision. She said, okay, you go, I'll take care of kid. She is doing PhD and she is taking care of kid also. So मई से उसने जाना स्टार्ट किया है मेरे बेबी ने स्कूल में, और सो शी इज वेकिंग अप एट लाइक 4:30 डेली. उसको 8 o'clock उसको बस में ड्रॉप करना होता है. देन शी गोज टू वर्क फॉर लाइक पीएचडी के लिए. फिर बेबी आता है, दोपहर को उसको पिक करती है, उसको क्रैच में लेके जाती है, वो खाना खिलाती है, फिर वो वर्क पे आती है, फिर शाम को 5:30 साढ़े 5 बजे फिर से उसको क्रैच से पिकअप करती है, तब उसको अपने साथ लेके घर पे लेके आती है एंड टेक केयर ऑफ द किड. उसको खाना खिलाती है, उसको सब मैनेज करती है, होमवर्क कराती है. तो दैट इज ए रियल चैलेंज. अपने काम से अलग ये सब वो मैनेज कर रही है. तो ये तो उसके चैलेंज का मतलब उसका पार्ट का चैलेंज हो गया. एंड मैं इस सब को आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग ऑल दिस की सी इज डूइंग, एंड आई फील कि मेरा तो स्ट्रगल कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं तो घर से निकल के यहाँ पे आ गया एंड लिविंग अलोन एंड टेकिंग केयर ऑफ वर्क एंड मैनेजिंग लाइक पार्टनर डॉक्टर योगेश. सो समहाउ मेरा उतना चैलेंज नहीं है अभी, बट एक चैलेंज मेरे साथ भी ये आया है कि अभी मैं फैमिली से दूर हूँ. अभी मुझे यहाँ से हर महीने या 1.5 महीने में मैं ट्रेवल करता हूँ, तो 3 to 4 days के लिए जा पाता हूँ. और उस टाइम पीरियड में वाइफ का भी देखना है, फिर पेरेंट्स का भी देखना है, तो दैट्स ए रियल चैलेंज. सो एंड अभी ज्यादा फील होता है, पहले उतना फील नहीं होता था क्योंकि मैं अनमेरिड था. तो और मैं वैसे भी घर के आसपास ही था, मतलब समवेयर 200-250 किलोमीटर की रेंज में मैं मैक्सिमम था. तो जब भी कुछ जरूरत होती थी, कुछ भी होता था, तो आई वॉज अवेलेबल इमीडिएटली. आई यूज्ड टू बी एट होम. बट नाउ आई एम क्वाइट फार. जब भी कोई चैलेंज आता है, कुछ भी होता है, तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज. एंड
Yeah, same here. Good you highlighted. Put your wife. The same happens with my wife too. She works for a company, a government-related company. She has to manage her home, manage the kid. Now she's going to school. Her school is very early in the morning. Her shift starts at around 7 o'clock.
Oh.
So yeah, she has to get up. I'd say at least around 5 o'clock, and she has to wake my kid up. And you know, right? She's very young, and even we being elders would not like to get up early in the morning. So we have to make her get up early, as early as around 5:45 to 6 o'clock. Get her ready because her school cabs gonna reach the home at around 6:15. So in the meantime, she has to cook for herself, for the kid, also for the afternoon lunch, and also for the dinner. You can just imagine, it's not so easy. Moreover, she has to take care of the whole home also. Home chores, she has to run the home chores, to take care of everything. It's a challenging task for her, which I really appreciate and commend. And in that per se, yeah, we are far more less trained in terms of home chores related issues. But what we are trained is mentally and emotionally. We are far away from them. We are not able to pitch in when they actually require, which they are only standing for themselves and trying to figure things out. We are here helping them, but it is not like we are standing next to them to be when the situation demands. Yeah, that is a big challenge, and staying far away from family, and when you have a young family, it is not very easy because your kids are growing up. They'll not your presence is not felt. Presence is very important when these kids are growing up. We definitely gonna miss that, and they're gonna definitely miss this. Just spending couple of days with them whenever we get, monthly once or 1.5 months once. You can just imagine it's so difficult, and people working in industries wherein there is weekends off, like Saturday and Sunday. You can imagine those days just go like a blink of an eye. Before they even realize there is their Monday schedule popping up their phone, right? So it is not that easy as such. With us working 6 days a week, managing work here, right? And then managing things, managing things for at home. So it is not that easy as per se.
It's not that easy for them. We are just like trying our best to catalyze the things.
Yeah.
And real warriors are our wives.
Our wives who's
so we thank you to our wives.
Yes,
This
big thanks for our
this
wives.
vlog we dedicate to our wives.
Yes, truly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे ज्यादा अब हम कुछ मतलब
Enough.
so
And I think today's vlog will close.
yeah,
I'm hungry.
we are hungry. हम इसको यहीं पे बंद करके and thank you again.
Thank you all. Have a good night.
Good night.